Good morning, Jaguars, and welcome to another day at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. Today is Monday, December the 14th. Our menu for lunch this week is today we'll be serving chicken and waffle. On Tuesday, taco meat, cheese, and chips. Wednesday is Virtual Wednesday. We'll be serving hamburger and cheeseburger, so parents, you may come by the school from 10 to 10:30 to pick up breakfast and lunch for this day. Also, please note that the food delivery bus route we had earlier in August will be running for meal pickup on Wednesday. If you need further information regarding this bus route, please contact the Bus and Transportation Office at 423-578-1820. On Thursday, we'll be having corn dog nuggets, and on Friday, a snack bag, Go-Gurt, and string cheese. Once again, we have included some helpful information to use as a guide when experiencing sickness in your family and possible COVID-19 symptoms. Jaguar families, please note we will have a modified school schedule for this week. Students will be face-to-face learners on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. On Wednesday, December 16th, students will complete their schoolwork virtually from home. On Friday, December the 18th, is a half day, and students will be dismissed at 12:30 p.m. Students will return to school on Tuesday, January 5th, 2021. Jaguars, would you like to join in on some holiday fun at Jefferson this week? If you do, on Tuesday, December the 15th, wear your favorite festive jewelry or festive hat. On Thursday, December the 17th, wear your coziest pajamas, but please make sure that they are appropriate for school. And then on Friday, December the 18th, come wearing your tackiest festive outfit. Jaguar families, I want to let you know that on Tuesday, December 15th, it's Jefferson Spirit Night at Jersey Mike's at 2633 East Stone Drive. You can order online or through the Jersey Mike app. Make sure that you use the code Jefferson15. Jefferson Elementary will receive 15% for items purchased from 3 p.m. until 9 p.m. So choose not to cook and choose to support Jefferson on Tuesday, December the 15th at Jersey Mike's. This is an order and take-home Spirit Night. And now it's time to celebrate some Jaguars who are celebrating birthdays this week. On December the 14th in kindergarten is Maria Jose R.V. In second grade, Philip S. On December 15th in third grade, Ainsley B. and fifth grade, Valerie J. On December the 17th in fourth grade, Ridley A. Fourth grade, Gavin R. And in second grade, Colton W. On December the 20th, Mr. Markland, one of our newest teachers here at Jefferson. He's one of our special service teachers that will begin at the new year. On December the 21st, in first and fifth grade celebrating a birthday is Keaton C., fourth grade, Jaden H., and Miss Statham, our PE wellness teacher. On December the 22nd, in fourth grade, Aiden N., and in third grade, Liam V. On December the 23rd, in first grade, Alexandra H. On December the 24th, in kindergarten, Ava H. And our Christmas babies on December the 25th, in second grade is Dylan C. And in fourth grade, Gracelyn H. On December the 26th, celebrating a birthday in fifth grade is Zeke A. In second grade, Max P. And second grade, Miles P. On December the 27th, celebrating a birthday in second grade is Braxton H. And on December the 28th, in third grade is Matilda C. Fourth grade, Jocelyn L. Fifth grade, Grady R. On December the 30th, in first grade is Jonah F. And on December the 31st, the last day of the month of December, in fourth grade, Jason G. Third grade, Anson H. In kindergarten, Charlie L. And in fourth grade, Griffin T. Happy birthday, dear Jaguars. Happy birthday to you. And now join me for some words of wisdom. Today I'd like to give a big shout out to our Jefferson families, our Jefferson staff, and Wallace Nissan Mitsubishi for adopting 68 Jaguars from our giving tree. Thank you for spreading the holiday cheer. You know, Jaguars, you did an excellent job sharing hope and love with our local healthcare professionals. All of your masterpieces have been delivered. May the gift of your love keep on giving. Now listen up to another gift that can keep on giving. Benito Juarez, a 19th century Mexican hero, said this: "Respect for one another's rights is peace." In other words, peace comes from showing respect to other people. And when we show respect to each other, we are less likely to argue and fight, right? You know, peace on earth means that more than just peace between nations. It means peace between people like you and me. Each time we show respect to others, we build a little more peace in the world. So as you move through this holiday season, Jaguars, ask yourself, am I respecting the rights of others? Am I respecting their right to enjoy a peaceful, filled holiday? Remember, peace on earth begins with you and me. But something to think about, this is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor. Jaguars, have a fun and safe holiday season. Let's say goodbye to 2020, and we will see you next year on Tuesday, January 5th, 2021.
Let peace begin with me. Let this be the moment now. With every step I take, let this be my song of to take each moment and live each moment in peace is what I'll live. Let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with me.
And now you may join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.